Good morning, class. I wish you a happy new year and welcome to you all in the year 2021. Now, if you remember, 2 weeks back, we have started the chapter called hydrogen in inorganic chemistry, and we have discussed about its preparation. Okay, different preparation, lab preparation, then general methods of preparation. Now, today we are going to see the physical and chemical properties of hydrogen. Okay, so first we'll see the physical properties. In the physical properties of hydrogen, the hydrogen is a colorless, it does not have any color; odorless, it does not have any smell; tasteless, rather it does not have any taste; it is highly inflammable, that means it burns easily; and number 5, it is neutral in nature. That means neutral means it is neither acidic nor basic. You can have a test with the litmus paper, so it does not respond to that test. So this is the physical properties of hydrogen. Now coming for chemical properties of hydrogen. In chemical properties, we'll see the chemical reactions of hydrogen with other elements or compounds, we can say. Say for example, number 1, when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it forms water molecule. And when hydrogen reacts with chlorine, it forms hydrogen chloride. Similarly, when it reacts with bromine, it will form hydrogen bromide. Now, when hydrogen comes in contact with sulfur, it forms hydrogen sulfide gas, H2S. And when hydrogen reacts with ethene molecule, carbon-carbon having a double bond, what will happen in presence of nickel as a catalyst? This undergo addition reaction. This two hydrogen will get added to this each carbon atom and it will form CH3CH3, which is an ethene. This reaction is also known as hydrogenation. Okay, this reaction is also known as hydrogenation since there is an addition of hydrogen. Number 5, this is a very important reaction of hydrogen. When nitrogen combines with hydrogen in the ratio 1:3. Okay, just write 3 over here in before H2, 3 hydrogen, just to balance the equation. So when you take one molecule of nitrogen and 3 molecules of hydrogen, and in presence of iron as a catalyst and molybdenum as a promoter, and if you maintain the temperature of 673 Kelvin and 500 atmosphere pressure, then what will happen? It will form an ammonia, and this method is known as, or process we call Haber's process for the manufacture of ammonia. Next, chemical properties of hydrogen. Reaction number 7. So this is called hardening of oils or hydrogenation. The process of converting vegetable oils to vegetable ghee or vanaspati by treating with hydrogen in presence of nickel is called hardening of oils or hydrogenations. Now, let us try to understand what is this. So we have got a liquid oil or fats. Okay, when it is treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel, it will form a solid fat or ghee, and this we also call it as dalda. Okay, this is how banaspati ghee or dalda is prepared from oils by treating with hydrogen in presence of nickel. This process we call hardening of oils or hydrogenations. Next, number 7. Finely divided metals like palladium, platinum, nickel adsorb hydrogen on their surface. The adsorption of a gas by a metal is called occlusion. So we call this process as occlusion. So the metals like palladium, platinum or nickel, they have the capacity or they have the ability to adsorb hydrogen on their surface. This adsorption of a gas by a metal is called occlusion. Next topic we have got is hydrides and its types. Hydrides are the binary compounds which are formed by the direct or indirect combination of hydrogen with metals, metalloids or non-metals. So hydrides are the binary compounds which are formed by direct or indirect combination of hydrogen with metals, metalloids or non-metals. Say for example, when lithium reacts with hydrogen, it forms lithium hydride. When sodium reacts with hydrogen, it forms sodium hydride. When calcium reacts with hydrogen, it forms calcium hydride. Okay, so this is how hydrides are formed. Next, the types of hydrides. We have got basically 3 types of hydrides. One is ionic or salt-like hydrides. Example, sodium hydride, where we have got a positive and negative ions. Number two, covalent or molecular hydrides. Example, H2S, NH3, CH4. All these are covalent hydrides, or we call molecular hydrides, since they are formed by covalent bond. And the third one, we have got a metallic or interstitial hydrides. Example, scandium hydride, titanium hydride, vanadium hydride, lanthanum hydride. So these are the three types of hydrides. Now, finally, the assignment for today, assignment number 7. Question number 1, mention few physical properties of hydrogen. Question number 2, give the equations for the reaction of hydrogen with the following compounds. So you have to give the chemical equations or reactions. Question number 3, define the following terms. One is hydrogenation and B, alcoholism. And question number 4, what are hydrides and mention its types. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.